Hello everyone, welcome to Path for Cloud. As you know that last week we have started our Terraform training. So today I will help you with the Terraform installation on Windows and Linux and how we can install the VS Code because I am getting so many questions and queries like how we can set the Terraform lab, right? So I already shared the document with you guys on our WhatsApp group where we can see that how you can set up the AWS free account. So here you can see that I have already set up one Windows machine and we will log into Windows machine in a bit and then we can see that how we can set the Terraform installation. Let me launch a Linux machine for you and then probably we can see how we can do. Okay, let me rename it to Linux just for the simplicity. Okay, I will use Ubuntu here, and I think one CPU and 1 GB is enough just to set the Terraform binaries, and let me quickly launch the instance. Okay, sorry, we forgot to attach the key pair because key pair we need obviously to uh, log into our logs. So let me create a new key pair for the no, I want to create a new pair. Let me select the Windows and proceed with the key pair. Okay, fine. And if I'll select create new pair, I'm not sure. Okay, anyways, then let me launch the instance. And here you go. Let me go back to the instance and here we can see Windows running. Meanwhile, let me log into Windows machine and we can see how we can do our stuff. And by that time, probably our Linux machine also ready. So you can come to the connect and you can download this RDP file, right? And then what we can do is we can get the password, right? So to get the password, you must have downloaded your Windows that file, right? You need to decrypt the password. Once you decrypt it, you can see that we have the password. Let me copy and here you go. Let me connect and let me paste the password which we just copied and say yes. And soon we'll be in. Right, so let me pause my video for a second. Meanwhile, that the machine will get ready. So you can see that machine is coming up and it is initialized almost. Let it do some random stuff. And here you go. Okay, still it's taking time, so probably we need to wait 1 or 2 more minutes. Okay. Okay, so you can see that machine is initialized, right? So what I've done is I just went to the Google and I just typed the you can see that what I have typed is I have typed like install Terraform binary Terraform binary download, and once you come here, right, so you can see that we have this page and we are doing our this on Windows, right? So what we will do is we will download a binary. Okay, and it is downloaded. Let me open that file and let me copy this binary file. Okay, I will do what I will do is I will go to the C drive and I will place the binary here. You can see it is copied. What I will do is now I will copy my path to Terraform directory and I went to the environment variable. So how I came here, I just start the menu button and typed the environment variable, and then you have the system properties, right? Come to the environment variable, right? And just click on new. We can type our variable name as Terraform and then we can define our variable. All right, so what we can do is we have this Terraform. Okay, we have the Terraform binary placed in this value, right? So we can just specify the path, and then what we can do is we can specify the path here as well in the path for the for all users across this machine. Once you done, save it. Okay, and then go to the command prompt. Once you open, and you can run Terraform -v. Probably it is capital V. Okay, Terraform. Sorry for the typo. Terraform hyphen V. Yeah, here you can see that we have the Terraform installed on this box, and if you want to see what else we have option with the Terraform, so here you can see that. Alright, so in next video probably we can just see how we can get leverage of all these options like initialize, in plan and destroy. Okay. One more thing I just want to show you here is like how you can download the VS Code, right? So that is probably help with you uh, to write a code. So you can just simply mention download VS Code, right? There is VS Visual Studio Code. You can see the first option, and here you can see that this is for Windows. Just click on this, and the auto installation is started. Let it finish. Okay, once it is finished, you can execute this binary file. You can say okay, and here you go, accept the agreement, and you need to follow this launch wizard accordingly. You want to create a desktop icon, okay, you can add it, and here you go. Okay, meanwhile, one more thing I just got remember that git bash download also we can get. So you can type just git for Windows, okay, and I think git bash downloads, and go to the git downloads, and here you can see for Windows. Just click there, or maybe what we can do is directly click here with download for Windows, and here you can see the standalone installer or portable file. For a time being, let me get the portable file, and I think our this also done, and it is started. Here is our portable git. Let me open that file as well. You can see this is the file extracted, okay, and here you can see that our VS Code is also there. So in next class we will see that how you can open your project and you can create your file. Alright, so one last thing in the Windows is extracting this. Let me pause this video once it is done. Okay, here you can see it is extracted. Let me shoot this binary file. You can place this binary file wherever you want, right? Just click on this setup and you can hit next, next. Okay, just go with the default recommended option. Don't explore. We will set it later once we will reach that point. Okay, and just maintain this. Okay, the first option, Windows style commit, Unix line style editing. So that will help to edit our files, and fast forward merge. Okay, and git credential manager just to store your credential to push your file, right? So yeah, it is getting installed. Okay, we are almost there. I hope you guys are still with me. Meanwhile, if you like my content, then please hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Okay, we can launch the git bash now. Finish. And here you go. You have the bitmesh. Okay. So on that day, if you remember that these are the three tools of which I was using when we were uh, discussing the Terraform. Okay. So in next video, I will just create the normal basic workflow for the Terraform. All right. So now let me go back to our AWS portal, and I hope we have our Linux machines ready by that time. All right, let me log in and then I will come back. All right, so you can see that my VM is up and running, right? So there was some issue with the key, so I had to reinitialize this Linux machine. That was the same method. Okay, I just copied the public IP and I just pasted a specify username. If you don't know what the username for your is, so what you can do is you can come to the connect, and here it will show you that how you can connect. So here you can see that it is connecting with the Ubuntu user, right? So that was the same way we need to do. All right, so let me come back to here and go to advanced settings. If you are using the mobile extreme, you need to browse your key. the key which you used for your stuff. Okay, let me browse. Okay, this is the key. And once you say okay, so I hope it will connect. Okay, there is some issue. Let me reconnect. Maybe the username we haven't typed correctly. Let me recheck. It is Ubuntu. Okay. And let me take the new session. I will go with the IP. I will type the username again. And I will go and copy our Linux key and we'll say okay, let's see. I'm not sure why it is refusing. Let me reconnect. Okay, looks like finally we are in. Oh, why still it is refusing? It was just connected and now again it started. Let me recheck. I think there is some issue with the all keys, right? So I'm not sure why. I have tried with the Red Hat, Ubuntu, Linux, Amazon, but with all it is coming the same. I have tried in different portal also. So I will look, but yeah, you can follow the document. Let me go to the document. If you go to that again, Terraform download on Ubuntu directly, if you go there, right, you can install, come to this point, and here you can see that if you are following the manual installation, right? So you can come here and you can search for the Linux, right? So if you are on Ubuntu and Debian, download the binary file according to our architecture, right? And then you just need to unzip it. Once unzip it, you can place it in the user bin and make it to the executable so that every user. Or if you don't want to do that, you can simply download. What you can do is you can configure this repository, right? And then you can simply run the install Terraform, right? That's what you can do. And here also they are talking about the same. If you go to the Linux, so on Ubuntu, it's the same thing. All right, okay. So let's meet and let's see how we can progress together. Yeah, thank you once again to listen my video. And if you like my content, because in this video we just talk about the Terraform installation on Windows, right, and VS Code, because this will help you to write your code and to push it on the GitHub to centralize our code, right? So the moment we will go through with our trainings or this series, so we'll get familiar like how you can do all these things. All right, so that's it from my end, and thank you. Yeah, thanks once again. Okay, bye bye.